Hi, we're Art and Bree. 4 years ago, we left the city to buy a 100-year-old farm to turn it into our own productive homestead where we can grow our own food, build a healthy life, and raise our kids just how we like. If you want to join us in our homesteading adventure on our small farm, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You guys having fun?
Yeah. We've been belly sliding.
You having fun in the snow?
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
It was an old man. That's what he really had.
Oh, really?
Thank you for bringing the cupcake in.
I'm not sure if you knew she was cracked or not, but
She has been asking for a porcelain doll replacement for a long
he
time.
charged her just exactly what she had. He guessed that she had $10.
Aww.
Because I said, I think it's out of her price range. I hadn't seen the crack yet.
Yeah.
And he said, oh, I bet it's in her price range. And he walked up there. No, it's just ice.
Salter. So fun to watch. If the ball wants to go into the hat, then I'll wash out.
Yeah, you don't want the bowl to bonk you on the head. Little dude and I are down here doing the animal chores. Come on, buddy, let's go. As soon as you see the bowl, you have to step out of here. You can't be in here when he comes down. He'll come in here in just a minute, okay? So when I tell you to, you need to go through that gate and shut it. That's just what they do. He's coming in. He'll be in just a minute.
Is he a data bowl?
He is a data bowl, yep. All right, close that gate. He's coming in now, and don't let it go. Coming in. Here comes the bowl.
Here?
Yeah, you can throw that into them. They'll like that. This is what you've been waiting for. Yep, you can throw them some. Good job. Can you find any eggs?
Found some.
All right, don't drop them. This is a real egg.
Yeah.
Keep this one. Keep that one.
The hood of this one.
That's a wooden egg. Put that one back. That's wooden. Do you see it? Can I grab it for you?
Yeah.
It's behind the white one. It's hard to reach.
I'm gonna put right here.
Okay, for a second. Come on, let's go. Here, let me hold it while you jump down there. All right, jump down. We're gonna go put it in the car right away. Thank you. All right, get your hands warm, and then you can come back out. Sit right there and warm up your hands, okay? And then you can come back outside. Don't take your socks off. Come on, Mom. Let's go. I got this for you here. Come on. Chores are all done. Did you find your buffalo?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Yeah, let's go. Don't slip in the mud, buddy.
We'll have real.
Wilder just said, everybody get in the bus. It's a little cooler. It's just right there. You can grab it. When I killed 2 deer over a week ago, all of our local processors were completely full. So we took the deer to a processor really far from us, but fortunately close to some of our friends, the haulers, so we'll be going there as soon as we pick up the deer. We gotta learn to be better at traveling. It's 30 minutes in and we're already taking a pit stop. To be honest though, it was a parent initiated pit stop. We said, hey, we could get coffee while we drive, because we like doing that, and then guess what? Everyone needs something, but hey guys, we've been in 5 counties today.
No way.
All right, we're here to pick up our deer. Wow, okay, so are you like 1,000 last year or something?
We did 1376.
Okay, wow. But the season's got a ways to go yet.
Yeah, we got until January the 1st.
Wow. That went great. We got our deer.
How much meat was it? Did they tell you?
No, they do buy the deer, and they don't really weigh it. They just slam through it. Well,
It was
some of the places,
$75.
it means if you shoot a small deer, it would cost a little more than some of the weight-based processors, and if you shoot a real big deer, it'll cost less per pound. And the buck might have been over, and the doe might have been under.
Are you gonna try to get more?
Mama,
I may go out once more, but I don't really think so. I'm pretty happy.
the old man told us to
turn
go
this
this way.
Everyone just hold on, hold your horses. What are you gonna do with all that venison? Well, you know what we gotta do tonight? We gotta empty out the tomato freezer, and then I gotta make sauce tomorrow and the next day. But thanks to one of you guys, somebody sent me a new canner. So now I have 2 canners and 2 big pots, so I'll be able to whip that out quick. But what are you gonna do with all that venison?
I want to make a lot of jerky. There's a lot of it's ground, and I could make jerky out of the ground as well.
You can?
Yeah. But that's mostly what I want to make is jerky, is venison jerky.
Do you know how to cook a good tenderloin? Because I don't.
Fast and hot. And
For
not too
venison?
long.
For venison?
Yeah, and with some fat because they're tenderloin's lean anyway.
All right, guys, 3 hours in the car, and we're finally here.
It's worth it.
How do you guys feel?
Good.
I haven't been down here for months. I think that's what I say every time we come down. These are the same turkeys that were out here?
Minus a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
I kept,
Wow, they're huge.
yeah, I kept 3 of them. Kind of trying out. You know, they're a heritage breed, and so I was gonna see if maybe we could get a breeding trio.
Wow.
From what I've seen, that's not gonna happen.
Why's that?
We have a whole bunch of wild turkeys, and you watch them, and it's like watching a flock of chickens.
Yeah.
They are very agile. These things are fat and heavy. And
Yeah.
from what I've seen, they're not successful.
You don't think they'll breed successfully?
I don't think so.
I always thought where there's a will, there was a way, but there may be too many feathers in the way.
I think he's just too big and clumsy.
Yeah.
I mean, not for lack of trying.
Mhm.
He does try, poor guy, but he's just, you know, he's probably pushing 45 pounds.
Wow.
He's heavy.
He is huge.
He's huge.
No. Is he aggressive? Will he attack you?
Not yet. If he gets aggressive, he'll go in the freezer. But I don't know what the point is with turkeys when they start getting tough. You know how chickens are. If you
Yeah.
go too long, they get tough. He's about 6 months old right now.
They are really big. Wow, if you saw them in the wild, you'd say that those are like some giant hens. Could that be it? Could it be happening right in front of us?
It'd be happening right in front of us.
Well, he's trying his darndest. Well, maybe it's getting done right now.
I think all said and done, after I cut and processed everything, it was like 40 pounds of meat.
Yeah.
So it wasn't crazy.
That's so good though. Very cool. No, he's a 3-point, not a spike.
Wow.
This one turkey encounter is still actually ongoing. So hopefully it'll be a success.
Hey, that's how we learn things on the farm.
Yes, it does, because that's why I came before.
She's not giving us a baby. That's not...
She's letting us enjoy the baby, though. Foxfire bucks. She's grumpy.
Are you serious?
A whole bunch of them.
Oh, that's so cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They got given a set, and so these are her old ones. So she's
Which ones are these?
passing them to us.
That's so nice.
We had to throw ours out.
Beautiful, beautiful baby. Your baby is lovely.
Thank you. Arthur loves the baby.
What do you think, Howder? Do you love babies?
Good. Right on the head. A big slobbery kiss right on the head.
Oh, you're too sweet.
Yeah.
Too sweet. How old is he?
He's
I got him in October.
Hello, buddy.
A month old.
Hello.
another birthday.
Can I try?
And she was hatching out a couple batches, but she collected during molt, so they weren't very fertile.
So he was the only one who came out of the batch, and she said, okay, I've already done this once. The last one died because I didn't have time to eat with her because she got lonely. So she said, I know Jack's doing ducks. Does he want another one? He would have to like baby this duck. And so I asked him, he's like, yeah, that's cool. So we're like constantly switching out Boyle, and it's like sleeping with Jack and like being wrapped up. Everybody carried him around in their shirts all day long. So.
Who do you have there?
A baby.
Do you know what her name is?
Yeah.
What is it?
An ice cream. A baby.
We've had an awesome meal, and we're hanging out and visiting, catching up.
Yeah, you missed me holding the baby though.
Bree was got a job as a nanny.
Yes.
You're hired.
Do you want that job, or do you want a baby?
I do want a baby when I have a house.
Okay. Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, I
Maybe?
want to feel good and I want to have a house. Yeah. So maybe baby.
Maybe, baby.
Until then, you can borrow mine.
It's actually fun. Okay, so because I had so many babies over a short amount of time, when I would go to friends' houses, I often didn't hold their babies because I was holding my own baby.
Yeah.
So it's actually really fun going to friends and like holding their babies while they eat and things like that, because I was always the one having their baby held while they ate.
Right.
Like really, or we were all holding our babies while we ate ourselves. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
So it's actually a really neat season to be in where mine are older and I'm holding babies while my friends eat.
Yeah.
Or I'm doing something for them. It's nice to be in a different season. The baby's in bed.
I feel so warm. I'm not gonna do this again.
I come bearing 2 chocolate bars. I get sent home with bags and boxes of things. But no, really, I need you to grab this box of books, and then I'll get the eggs. 6 dozen eggs.
6 dozen
To be exact.
That's amazing.
Oh, thank you.
You're doing all my work for me. That's nice.
It's actually been kind of nice.
Yeah,
the past year, the twins are old enough they can help with stuff now.
Yeah.
And so like the past couple times we've done chickens or turkeys.
Yeah.
Jack has been my right hand man.
Yeah.
Like it has been so wonderful.
Grace did about half the work on skinning those deer.
Oh, nice.
Did you really?
Good. That's awesome.
Grace and Justice did about half the work. Thanks for having us out. It's been really fun.
Thank you for coming.
It's so nice to see
We
you
always
guys.
enjoy
Yes.
visits. These days are kind of slim.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Come right through.
Anytime.
Well, that was fun.
Oh my goodness, that was bone to the soul.
We got one more stop to make, and it's not really a stop.
No,
it's a
it's
go.
a drive-through.
We are going to see a cool town nearby that is known for having nice Christmas lights.
Yeah.
We've never done this before at this town.
Nope. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I've been here before.
You've
No, you've never been here before.
You've never been there.
Hey! What does this say? Honk! Think all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Whoa, this is cool.
What does this say?
Holy moly, this is cool. Whoa, look up here.
So cool.
Oh, why aren't we walking?
No way, where is it?
I don't know.
Reindeers.
Yeah.
I want to ride on those reindeers.
Brian, back up. He's trying to lock the gate. We just missed it. Honestly, life through kids' eyes is like way more fun than life through adults' eyes, because they are so excited and amazed by it all
Right.
when the thrill has somewhat worn off as an adult. You're reminded once again of the wonder and excitement of it all. You guys ready to drive yourselves home?
Yeah.
To the coffee shop to get hot chocolate?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Do you hear the bells ringing?
Hey, you.
We just got back from many counties away and then tucked all the kids to bed. I ran down the hill, put all the venison in the freezer. It turned out to be 108 pounds, and that comes out to about $1.30 something a pound. And we're gonna have tenderloin tomorrow night, so I got a bunch of that. How much do you think we need to keep out? Guys, thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you in another video
Wait, where
soon.
are my tomatoes? I want to show everyone my tomatoes.
They're in the back of the van.